Okay guys, so today we're looking at the top 5 keto foods, the ones that are going to make your diet a breeze. Okay guys, welcome to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diets, and I'm Dr. Lou. Now, today what we're doing is we're looking at the top 5 keto foods. Why? Because these are the best, where you cannot go wrong. They're the royalty of keto diets. You want these foods in your diet 100%. They are going to not only be tasty, but they're also going to be massively beneficial for your health. So this is the main idea. Many people have gone on the keto diet and they're doing dirty keto, and they're getting problems and keto flu and a whole range of things. So these foods are going to be able to help you on your keto diet, as well as enjoy a fantastic feast. Now, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump right in there. Everyone's had the issue. Oh, I don't know what to eat. I know what's a problem. What can I, is this allowed on the diet? Is that allowed on the diet? I think there's a problem with it. Well, let's have a look at the ones that are the 5 best and see where you will understand you're going to be able to feast away on them because there's no real problems. Okay, guys, so here we go. So number 1, guys, of course, eggs. Now, the number 1 keto food, definitely without any dispute, eggs. We've got them down as 0 carbs. Yes, that is the real takeaway, because an egg pretty much is negligible in carbs. It comes in around about 0.2 to about 0.5 grams of carbs per egg. It's so low, everyone just says 0. Again, yes, obviously you will have some carbs if you eat a lot of them. So for example, if you ate 10 of them, you might get 2 grams of carb at the lowest point. So what can we see here? Simple, nutritious, keto approved. Oh, without a doubt. I've been doing keto for 25 years, and I can tell you now, eggs have never failed me. They are able to be used in so many different ways. They're versatile. You can fry them. You can have in omelets. You can make tons of different types of omelet. You can use them just to bind things together. You can make your hamburgers with egg, so you don't need any type of flour to bind it. There are a whole range of ways that you can utilize eggs, and it gives you a near pretty much 0 carb effect. The most I've ever eaten in one go, which I don't advocate for others, is 14 eggs in a day. And I still lost weight massively. So in that period, it was a 3-month period where I went on keto, and I lost a cumulative 20 kg. So 20 kg in 3 months, and my main food source, eggs. Now, eggs are fantastic in the sense that people question, they say, oh no, cholesterol. Well, if you look at my videos on cholesterol, you'll understand that cholesterol, it depends on what's happening. So eggs also have what they call fluffy large LDLs, which are very positive to help remove bad cholesterol, and they don't get blocked, and they can't connect very well because they're large and fluffy. So that's the main difference. Keto diets make more of the fluffy large LDL fats. Fluffy LDL sterol, which is cholesterol. Now, that's one of the major things that hold people back. Push it aside, guys. Look up on my videos about cholesterol, you'll understand. Now, 0 carbs, high protein, healthy fats, and perfect for keto. A nice lovely tick there. So that's really good. But what is also the benefit? They fill you up because of the high fat and protein content. That's perfect. Your cravings, your hunger dissipates with these for keto. Now, what else is a good thing? Muscle maintenance. If you're doing weights or anything that it has you being able to do workouts, this is going to help build your muscle. Now, the key nutrients that, if you can see here on the picture, guys, you can see here we have high protein, so builds and maintains muscles. Healthy fat supports hormone production and long-lasting energy. Choline here, because this is a precursor for acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter in your brain, which is vital. And also you have vitamin B12 for energy and metabolism, and selenium, small, very small and hard to get usually, immune support. So you get fantastic nutrients, you get fantastic protein, fantastic fat, and overall it's just adding to your diet and being low carb. So perfect for keto. It's all ticked off there, guys. You can cook them in many different ways: fry them, boil them, then fry them, cut them up, put them in salads, eat them as they are whole, put them in an omelette, put them in scrambled egg, eat them, sunny side up or sunny side down. All different ways, guys. And no matter what you do, they're fantastic. Even if you look at my recipe for keto ice cream, use them in your ice cream, eggs, fantastic. Now, what's the main takeaway? Bottom line here: zero carbs, high protein, healthy fats, perfect for fat burning and muscle maintenance. So guys, eggs are number one, without a doubt. There's nothing that you can do. They're super whole food. They come out from nature and you eat them from nature. Perfect, no processing. Okay guys, so that's obviously one of the main highlights on a keto diet. Eggs. Okay, so number two, coming in as a favorite, steak. So we can see steak, we have here beef. Everyone knows steaks are absolutely delicious, powerful, satisfying, and keto approved. Why? Well, simply because zero carbs, you don't have anything there and there's nothing to raise your insulin, and no carbs. You have high protein, so you can also get lots of protein for weightlifting or doing whatever you wish to do, repair your body, etc. High fat, plenty of energy on a keto diet, and satiating, you feel satisfied. Now, if you look down here, the high protein builds and maintains muscle, healthy fats support hormone production and long-lasting energy. Key nutrients that you get from a steak, this is good as well. You get some zinc, you get iron, and you get B vitamins. So all of these help obviously in different functions for the body. Zinc for immunity and testosterone, energy and oxygen support for iron, and for vitamin B for your metabolic reactions. All these are going on through your entire body. This vitamin B's are going to help towards that. Now, perfect for keto. And what's the idea here? High protein, zero carbs, healthy fats, perfect for fat burning and muscle maintenance. So steaks are a no-brainer, absolutely delicious, and you'd be absolutely nuts to avoid them. Now, jumping on, number three, we've got salmon, of course, the main famous fatty fish. Zero carbs, perfect for ketosis, without a doubt. High protein, supports muscle maintenance, yeah. Healthy fats, yeah, and nutrient dense. Yes, you're packed full of essential vitamins and minerals, so they are excellent. Now, let's have a look here. So the high protein builds and maintains muscle, the healthy fat supports our hearts and health and reduces inflammation. Key nutrients, omega-3s, heart and brain health, fantastic. Vitamin D, bone and immune support. What else can you ask for? Selenium, antioxidant protection. So you've got loads of things here helping with antioxidants, and so you can't get any better here than helping with vitamin D, antioxidants and omega-3 oils. Perfect for keto, zero carb, high protein, healthy fats, supports heart health, brain function and long-term wellness, guys. So that is keto food number three. You will absolutely adore. Salmon is essential. So jumping on, guys, so what's the wonder food number four? Number four is avocados. So we all know avocados. It's number four, guys. Why? It's nutritious, satisfying and keto approved. Yes, it's not zero carbs, it's low carbs. So about half an avocado, about 2 grams of carb. Now, why is it so good? Tons of healthy fats. It's rich in monounsaturated fats that support heart health. Nutrient rich, packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants your body needs. And keto perfect, low in carbs, high in healthy fats, keeps you full and satisfied. Again, what would you like to have? Avocado and bacon, fantastic. Throw in some eggs, you'll have a fantastic breakfast. Now, healthy fats, high in monounsaturated fats, support heart health and keep you full longer. Perfect. Fiber, fantastic, because it's a source of fiber which you need. Keto doesn't get much fiber. This is a fantastic source. Tick there for your essential nutrients. Now, Potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure and muscle function. So you get your chlorine or your chloride. Okay guys, so we can see obviously with an avocado, you've got a whole range of benefits. You've got the healthy fats, fiber, potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure and muscle functions with sodium. So usually it's quite easy to get sodium and chlorine or chloride. So the element chlorine, which is chloride because of its negative charge with an extra electron. So again, you can get that. Why? Because it's salt. You just add your sodium chloride from your table salt. Now, when you do that, you get those two. This is harder to get, potassium. You can't have bananas, so avocados, awesome. You can also take a supplement. So you can see here the vitamins you have here. You can see you have rich in vitamin K, E, C, and B6, and folate. So it's good for overall wellness. So you don't just get one, you get several. What's the bottom line here? Bottom line, low carb, healthy fats, loaded with nutrients, perfect for heart health, satiety, and ketosis. So you understand that these are fantastic. This fruit is actually a fruit, is actually giving you what you need on a keto diet and all other things that you need. That's fantastic. Usually comes from fruit. So there you go. Now, you can see here best ways to use it in a salad, in smoothies, as guacamole, with eggs. Yes, I mean I like to mix it up with egg and bacon and have it either just for breakfast and then you can add it to a salad, mix it all in, bit of cheese, bit of walnuts, absolutely delicious. So avocado is number 4. Don't be amiss, don't be scared how to use it. Go get it from your supermarket, take a knife, stick it in the middle, go around, pull it apart, done. Scoop it out, literally with a spoon, and then put it in, mix it in with whatever you want to do. Moving on, number 5. So we've got number 5, and obviously you can't put away without chicken. Yes, it tastes like chicken. So lean protein, yes, it's quite low in fat, but it's still juicy, has fat, and is full of protein. And what we can see here, let's look at its main ideas. Low carb, very low in carbs, perfect for ketosis. It's high in protein, which supports muscle maintenance and repair. Healthy and lean, low in fat, especially when skinless. I like to leave the skin on. Keto friendly, low in carbs, high in protein, great for keto. So you can see it's a fantastic keto food. Now, looking down here, high protein builds and maintains your muscles. Low fat, especially skinless chicken, heart friendly. Just because you're on a keto diet doesn't mean you have to always have something that's full of fat. Yes, of course it's great and it helps with taste, but chicken itself is absolutely delicious, especially when you cook it. If you want to go, hey, I love chicken, but I want a bit more fat, throw some butter in there and fry it in butter. Absolutely delicious. Now, what else can we see? Key nutrients. You've got B vitamins for energy support, phosphorus for bone health, selenium for immune support. And these are all foods with selenium which are vital and important. It's very rare to get a lot of selenium, and these are giving it to you. Yes, you don't want loads of it, but at the end of the day, it's hard to get, so it's usually good in this context. So guys, nutrient rich, packed with essential nutrients and the body needs every day. So that's the main idea. We understand that it's straightforward, bottom line, low in carbs, high in protein, perfect for muscle, energy and fat burning. Prepare it grilled, pan-seared, baked, in salads. I like to make a chicken salad. I usually get a bit of low-carb mayonnaise, obviously very as low as you can get, the proper mayonnaise. Throw it in there with chicken that you've just cooked, cut it up into little pieces, throw it in with whatever lettuce you have. I put in usually iceberg. Throw in cheese, throw in walnuts, mix it all up. Absolutely delicious. So there you go, guys. A fantastic set of the top 5 keto foods that are going to benefit you, not only from taste, they're all delicious, not only from health and nutrients, but also because there's 0 or very low carb. So they're fantastic, they're nutrient dense, and they tend to be there as a whole food. There's nothing there that's processed. It's good for clean keto, and it's good as well for health. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up please, and subscribe. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.